Down here working in my basement, setting up a cleat system, building an easel wall basically. So let me turn this around, I'll show you what I'm doing. Got this idea from Andrew Tischler, awesome artist. But anyway, I put 1x12s on this wall, and then I'm going to go through and put several strips, 1x4 strips, that I cut a 45-degree angle in. See, it's got a 45-degree angle. Get this tag off of here. It's got a 45-degree angle in it. So, I can take another board with the opposite 45-degree angle in it, and set it there. And I'll screw this little board into the back of one of my canvases. So after I screw it in the back of one of my canvases, I can just put this canvas wherever I want, according to however many cleats I put on this wall, because I'm going to put several cleats on this wall. So I can just move the canvas up and down wherever I want on that wall, back and forth. I mean, this wall's like 12 foot, actually more than 12, it's about 14 foot long, 13, 14 foot long. So I have an easel that's 13 or 14 foot wide, and I can adjust it up to almost 9 feet tall at about every foot. I'm going to put these cleats about every foot on there. So that'll work out great. Thank you, Andrew Tischler, for the idea. Paine out.